Welcome to another Super Chicks video. Today we're going to be discussing the contract a little bit more and what my plans are with it. So we have superchicks.net. The link will be in the description below. This one has been running 15 days now. I really at first didn't think it'd make it past like day 4, day 5, so I didn't put in a whole lot. We're going to check the contract. One thing I do want to say is that after being in this thing for a little bit, I fully understand why it's going to work and it's going to be running for quite some time. So, like right now, there's still 742,000 Tron in the contract. Every day it only pays out 10% of what's in the contract. So it could literally go on for a very long time. We could look at the TRX balance over time, and it's just kind of holding still. I mean, there's obviously some dips and rises, but I mean, it's still going up and down over multiple days. So I always like to look at the history to see if it's on a full-on decline. So if you're going to get into any of these dApps, you need to be paying attention to the contract. See where the coins are, see what the direction is. But yeah, I mean, it's holding steady greatly. So let's go back over here. When I got on, my chickens were 27 TRX per chicken. Right now they're sitting at 16 and a half. So I'm gonna end up getting some today, but let's go ahead. Here's today's auctions. Tomorrow's pull is only, what, 1,000 coins less. So when the timer reset, we had 755,000 coins in there, and right now we're at 742,000. So it is moving down a little bit, not a whole lot though. So I have 31 TRX available for my egg cells. We'll go ahead and withdraw that. If we come back up here, I'm only producing 26 eggs a day. So I want to get that up, especially with the chicken price so low. If it goes a little lower, I'll probably buy some more. If it gets under 10, I'll be buying more. So go ahead and purchase those. Give it a second to... We'll come back. Give it a second to update. So 26.8 should be about 87 and some change. They do have the raffles. So right now 5 tickets have sold. It's 100 TRX. So I mean, 1 in 5 chance, or 1 in 6 chance will get you 60. You know what? I have never bought a ticket. We'll buy 1 ticket. So now it says I have 1 ticket. We'll see if I actually win. I like to gamble every once in a while. It's only 100 TRX. I don't even know what that is. Let's see what 100 TRX is. $2. Right? Yeah, $2. So it's a $2 gamble. See if I can get lucky and get me 59 more chickens. Yeah, so they've had 15 raffles. Here's the last 10. Top 10 chicken hodlers. So even the bottom guy has 1,600 now. I think it was about 1,000 yesterday. So people are starting to pick up some more eggs since the price is going back down on the chickens. Let's go back up to the top. Hope somebody else bought a ticket too. Alright, yep. 98 chickens, producing 70 eggs a day. So that's exciting. Hopefully start collecting some more of this money. There are a total of 1,500 users and 90,000 chickens in the world. They've already paid out one and a quarter million TRX basically. So you can make some good chunk of change while you're here. Just remember, if you want to keep making money, you got to keep feeding the beast too. So I'll explain that later today in my Bank of Tron video. But yeah, at the end of the day before I go to bed, I'd normally put all of my eggs and sell them in the auction. I know some people have an alarm, so like 30 minutes before the auction ends, they get up and do their eggs, but I'm just not that dedicated yet. So, alright. I think this one can last quite a bit longer. That's why I'm willing to invest another 1,000 Tron, which is what, basically 20 bucks. So I've got 2,000 invested in this so far. So basically $40 invested into this site. Yeah. Anything I do, I'm willing to risk and lose. I know this site could be gone before I finish this video, but it's a risk I'm willing to take. So y'all have a wonderful day. If you're willing to join me in the risk, sign up with the link below. Thank you. Bye-bye.